Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today we have this Cayenne was towed in a few months ago. Just really busy with some big massive jobs that I had delayed. Part was delayed and all that. Really hard to do that, but get that figured out sometimes. Yeah, we're here now. So before I take anything off, so I've got a fault with the actual timing, cam timing, or something to do with the cam solenoids. This one here. Usually the fault is the cam solenoids. This ones here, they're faulty, and the car getting idle rough or sometimes cut out, and very hard to start sometimes. But I just want to show you before I touch the car. Look at this. This is not even on properly. I was just sitting there like that. Might as well leave it off, but somehow someone done that, so that's been replaced. This one here, that's been fixed. That's on. There's a lot of oil leaks in the cam cover gaskets. You see it there, massive oil leaks there, so it's pretty common on here. You see it more here as well. Oil leaks from the spark plug gasket and the cam cover gaskets. So we're going to remove the cam cover off, and we're going to check the timing first, make sure the timing is good before we do anything else. The actual drive belt is pretty bad. Look at the drive belt, looks like the original one from day one. Cracks, that's ready to come off as well, so a lot of cracks on the actual drive belt. This part here has not been on properly. It's been broken, so someone didn't even put it on properly. That's for the actual, goes into there, goes in your vent solenoid system. So it goes to your brake booster here. Venturi brake booster, Venturi hose or something like that they call it. But yeah, so we're gonna do that one first. Cam covers off, check the timing. I already checked the fuel pump already on this car here. The fuel pump's good. The 5 bar, 4.8 to 5 bar was running at 4.8 to 5 bar. The actual fuel pressure, that's fine. But just a quick video to see what we're doing. So I'm gonna take the brackets off here. The main thing is to check the timing first before we do anything else. And if I do finish, if everything good, if the timing is good, so we have to replace the cam solenoid. And I'm going to advise the customer to change the actual tensioner as well. Tensioner, sometimes they really, I had a car that I had a tensioner failure and caused the chain to actually lock up and then cause the cylinder head damage. But anyway, power steering fluid, we'll get that flushed as well. And then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.